Hello traders, I am Sajid, and in this video I am going to explain the logic behind this trade in gold in which I have captured 100 pips. 100 pips is not a very much small move, it's a very much good move in the forex market. So the logic behind this trade was, as you can see, there was a resistance form here. Resistance, resistance, resistance. As soon as market hit the resistance for the second time and again when it was coming up, I observed there was weak buying here. After the weak buying, it again took resistance from here and gave a breakout here. After giving a breakout, it was just sustaining here. What does it mean? Again, buyer seller psychology. The buyers who have entered here had made good amount of profit still here. So now they have just given a breakout here so that the fresh buyers can enter here, and the buyers who have made profit here can transfer their buy positions to these fresh buyers so that they can book their profits and market will go in the opposite direction. So this was what happening in gold. So after this, when it was sustaining here, I just waited, drew this confirmation level and took my entry exactly here. As soon as it started to reverse, I took my entry here. Stop loss about this level. Target was the next support in the market, which was this, and I captured almost 100 pips very much comfortably. And if you observe from this level, gold had fallen around 400 pips from this same level. If I just show you, yeah, it's almost around 400 pips. But why didn't I hold my trade? Why didn't I capture this much fall of 400 pips? Just because, like, imagine this market as a very much big plate in which you have unlimited food. When you have unlimited food, you should not be greedy and you should not go for eating more and more and more above your capacity. So what happens? As soon as you go above your capacity, you will face many problems like stomach infection or any problem like that. The same way, if you would have eaten how much your stomach can hold and digest, you would easily digest your food, and again you would come back and again eat from the same plate how much ever times you want. The same way, here my stomach was full in 100 pips and my mind was very much stable when I just hit the 100 pips target. I cannot hold more than this because it's more than my capacity. So I just close my trade here, and after some time, if my setup is formed again, I'll take another trade, I'll make profit in that trade. It does not mean that this one trade can change my whole life. It does not mean this one 400 pips move is being missed from me. It does not mean that again I'll not get this move again. I have captured this trade from my own psychology. The same way I'll capture many more trades in the future. So you should not regret whenever you just book your profits here in a very much small trade, and then again from the same level, if the market gives a big rally, instead of being in regrets, you should be happy in how much you have booked because you have booked some amount of profit. Because 95% in the market, 95% of the traders book loss. You're in the top 5%. So instead of being in regret, you have to be happy. The another reason why I'm sharing my trades is, if you see all the videos in my channel till now, whatever I have uploaded, I have followed the same setup. Market has come in the resistance, it has broken the resistance, grabbed the liquidity, drew a confirmation level, then I have sold from here, buy from here, and in this way my target got hit. What do I want to tell you in this way? You have to just follow one strategy, one good proven strategy which has a good win rate and proper risk to reward. If you follow the same strategy, same setup again and again and again, there will be very much high chances that you will definitely be in profits. Imagine if in this state continuously my two stop losses got hit, and the third time I just change my strategy and I go for another strategy. Imagine I go for breakout strategy. I would have entered on this breakout, and then this fake breakout strategy would have been worked and I would have missed this trade. So always stick to one strategy, manage your risk properly, and take each and every entry when your setup is being formed. So this was the learning from this video. Always be in the limits, capture the move how much you are able to be digested, and stick to one strategy, proper risk management, and you'll be definitely profitable. So this was the logic behind this trade, this was the logic in this video. So please do like this video, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next amazing video.